Australian actress Rebel Wilson has labelled Bauer Media's behaviour shockingly unethical. Lawyers intend to argue the pitch-perfect star's defamation payout shouldn't be reduced, given her career was on an upwards trajectory, prior to a series of damaging articles being published. Wilson was last month ordered to repay most of her record $4.7 million payout after magazine giant Bauer successfully appealed the decision in the Supreme Court of Victoria. A legal team has now initiated further proceedings in the High Court of Australia. On Thursday evening, Wilson said she has a message for her fans. She's determined to see this out till the end. Thanks to everyone for your kind support re my defamation case in Australia, and to those who have reached out who also plan to take their matters against this tabloid company, Bauer Media, to court because of shockingly unethical behaviour and malicious takedowns, she wrote on Twitter. Going to court is not fun in any way, and it's ridiculously hard to be one individual against a billionaire corporation. But obviously I couldn't let their constant bullying, intimidation and harassment scare me. The Australian actor went on to say she wished Bauer had settled the case years ago, when it had the opportunity to apologise, print a retraction and pay her initial legal fees. Instead of acting appropriately, they continued to do the wrong thing, printing fake news, altering images, defaming all sorts of people, she said. All to make a profit. I'm glad I had the guts to stand up to them and openly expose their dodgy practices in court. Wilson also hinted that her behind-the-scenes experience of the legal system would make for an interesting book. If the actor's appeal application is successful, she could once again find herself having to fly to Australia to sit through lengthy legal arguments, this time before the full bench of the High Court. Wilson's application was written by her $9,000 a day barrister Dr. Matthew Collins, QC, and fellow Victorian barrister Renee Embaum. The document argues the Supreme Court's Court of Appeal made numerous errors. It also states Bauer Media should pay Wilson's costs for bringing the case to the attention of the High Court. Sydney Morning Herald promoted stories recommended by